Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ###tutorial, Becoming a Cloud Site Reliability Engineer, SRE. Introduction to Site Reliability Engineering, SRE. Site Reliability Engineering, SRE, is a discipline that incorporates aspects of software engineering and applies them to infrastructure and operations problems. The main goals of SRE are to create scalable and highly reliable software systems. And sres responsibilities often include system management, automation, performance monitoring, incident response, and capacity planning. Cloud sres specifically focus on managing and maintaining services hosted in cloud environments such as AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. They ensure that the services are highly available, resilient, and scalable. ###Key concepts and responsibilities of a cloud SRE. 1. Service level objectives, SLOs, and service level indicators, slis. Establish and monitor SLOs to measure the reliability of services. Use slis to determine how well services meet those SLOs. 2. Incident management. Develop procedures for detecting and responding to incidents. Use postmortems to analyze incidents and improve systems. 3. Monitoring and logging. Set up monitoring solutions to track application performance. Implement logging to offer insights into system behavior. 4. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks to reduce manual effort and minimize human errors. Use infrastructure as code, IAC, tools. 5. Capacity planning and scaling. Analyze usage patterns to forecast capacity needs. Implement auto-scaling solutions. 6. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. Implement CI/CD pipelines to automate the software release process. ### Tools and technologies. Monitoring, Prometheus, Grafana, CloudWatch, Datadog. Logging, ElkStack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, Fluent. Automation, Terraform, Ansible, Kubernetes. Cloud providers, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Azure. ###Example, setting up a basic monitoring solution. Here's a simple example of how to set up monitoring for an application using Prometheus and Grafana. Step 1, Install Prometheus. Prometheus is a powerful monitoring and alerting toolkit. Install it using Docker. Bash. Docker run dname equals Prometheus \p9090:9090 $v$ pwd /prometheus.yml/ etc/ prometheus/prometheus.yml /prom/prometheus. Create a prometheus.yml configuration file. YAML. Global. Scrape_interval, 15s. Scrape_configs. Job_name, my app. Static_configs. Targets, my app 8080 # replace with your application's address. Step 2, Install Grafana. Grafana is used for visualizing the metrics collected by Prometheus. Install it using Docker. Bash. Docker run dname equals Grafana /p3000:3000 Grafana/Grafana. Step 3, Configure Grafana to use Prometheus as a data source. 1. Open Grafana in your browser, http://localhost 3000. 2. Log in with default credentials, admin/admin. 3. Go to Configuration Data Sources and add Prometheus. 4. Set the URL to http://prometheus9090. ######. Step 4, create a dashboard. 1. Click on Create Dashboard. 2. Add a new panel. 3. Use Prometheus queries to visualize metrics, example http://requests_total. ####example, automating infrastructure with Terraform. #####. Step 1, install Terraform. Download and install Terraform from the official website, https://www.terraform.io/downloads.html. Step 2, create a Terraform configuration file. Create a main.tf file to define your infrastructure. HCL. Provider AWS. Region equals US West 2. Resource AWS_instance app. AMI equals AMI 1234567 #, replace with a valid AMI ID. Instance_type equals t2.micro. ####. Step 3, initialize and apply Terraform configuration. Run the following commands. Bash. Terraform init. Terraform apply. This will create an EC2 instance in AWS. ####. Essential skills for a cloud SRE. 1. Programming skills, Python, Go, or JavaScript. 2. Cloud provider knowledge, AWS, Azure, or GCP. 3. Understanding of networking, DNS, load balancers, firewalls. 4. Containerization and orchestration, Docker, Kubernetes. 5. Version control, Git. ####. Conclusion. Becoming a cloud site reliability engineer involves understanding both software development and system administration. By focusing on automation, monitoring, and incident management, sres help ensure that applications are reliable and scalable in the cloud. Continuously improve your skills by working on real-world projects, contributing to open-source projects, or participating in cloud-related challenges and competitions.